This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp devil, a fiery and flavorful dish. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, ready for cooking. We'll also prepare an aromatic base with 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. For the spice, have your red chili powder, turmeric, and a pinch of garam masala ready. Finally, grab 1 can of diced tomatoes and a half cup of creamy coconut milk to complete our delicious recipe. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once warm, add the finely chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes beautifully translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Finally, add the red chili powder and turmeric, stirring constantly for about 30 seconds to bloom these vibrant spices. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to build the sauce. Pour in the entire can of diced tomatoes and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Then, stir in the half cup of creamy coconut milk, bringing the sauce to a gentle boil. Now, carefully add your prepared shrimp to the simmering sauce, making sure each piece is fully coated. Cook the shrimp for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until they turn a lovely pink and become opaque, indicating they are perfectly cooked. To finish our incredible shrimp devil, let's add a final touch of warmth and aroma. Stir in a pinch of garam masala, which will elevate the dish with its complex spice blend. Now, taste and adjust the seasoning. A little salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten all the flavors. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro leaves for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this spicy shrimp devil hot, perhaps with fluffy steamed rice or warm flatbread, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.